Hi student. Now next lecture, lecture number 18 from topic 4th Bioinorganic Chemistry, subtopic metalloporphins. Now first introduction of metalloporphins. The most important class of metal containing biological compounds or system is that which consists of complexes between metal ion and porphyrin ligand. So here porphyrin is a ligand which form complex with metal ion, and this class is important in case of biological system. Such complexes which are formed from metal ion and porphyrin ligands are called as a metalloporphyrins. म्हणजेच मेटॅलोपोरफायरिन्स मध्ये काय काय आहे, मेटल आयन आणि पोरफायरिन लिगॅंड्स. So metal ion combine with or form a complex with porphyrin ligands, and that is known as a metalloporphyrin. The fundamental ligand unit is a porphyrin group. So in porphyrin ligands, which is the important one, that is a porphyrin group, which is derived from porphyrin molecule, whose structure is given as follows. So now this is a porphyrin group which is important in porphyrin ligand. So this is the structure of porphyrin molecule. Now see in structure, what is involved in structure. Now there are 4 nitrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, and metal is present at the center. There are 4 rings, first, second, third and fourth. So these are called as alpha, beta, gamma and delta. The ring has given the name as alpha, beta, gamma and delta, and these rings are get connected with one another through ethylidene group, that is C double bond CH group. So there are 4 ethylidene group. This is one, this is second, this is third and this is a fourth one. So these rings are given as name first ring, second ring, third ring, fourth ring, whereas this ethylidene group given as the name as alpha position, beta position, gamma position and delta position. So this is the main structure of porphyrin molecule. The porphyrin, let's see in detail. Porphyrin molecule consists of 4 chiral rings which link together by methylidene linkage, that is dash C double bond. So where is the methylidene linkage? These are called as a methylidene linkage, and these are called as a chiral rings. The 4 chiral rings are numbered as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. And the methylidene bridges are labeled as alpha, beta, gamma and delta. The porphyrin molecule has various substituent at position. This is the 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. जिथे जिथे या रिंगला हायड्रोजन आहे तिथे तिथे आपण वेगवेगळे सबस्टिट्यूएंट लावू शकतो. म्हणजे किती पोझिशन अवेलेबल आहे, 1 ते 8. These substituents are generally from methyl group means CH3, ethyl group C2H5, vinyl group, acetic acid residue and propionic residue. So this can be act as a substituent for these 8 position. So this is the main structure of porphyrin molecule, which is a fundamental part of porphyrin ligand. So now this is another structure of porphyrin molecule. Now in this left structure, nitrogen, 4 nitrogen and stand for central metal ion, and these are the methylidene linkages. These are shown in clear cut orange color. Now this is the structure, NH, NH and NN. Now the out of this 4 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen having hydrogen which get replaced, and there is a metal get fitted within this hole, and these are the nitrogen which form dative bond, that means donating by lone pair of electron, and these are the position where we get different substituents. So these are methyl, vinyl, propanol, etc. So we can change the substituents. So this is the clear structure. Magnesium is here as a central metal ion. These are for nitrogen and these are substituent. Methyl group, ethyl group. This is the structure of chlorophyll where magnesium is acting as a central metal ion. So this whole area, which include porphyryl rings and methylating linkages, called as a porphyrin ring, and these are the conjugate alternate double bond is present between these, which is a delocalized one and can be absorb light and form various um, play a role in a formation of in a chlorophyll. The porphyrin molecule on losing two hydrogen ion, the hydrogen ion which is attached with nitrogen, two nitrogen. So by losing these two hydrogen ion, form porphyrin anion. After losing these two hydrogen ion, it acquired two minus charge, that is which is called as a anion. So that is known as a porphyrin anion, which is involved in coordination with the metal ion to form metalloporphyrin. So by forming a complex with metal, we get metalloporphyrin. Generally, metal ion which are having di positive, that means having +2 charge, involved in formation of coordination compound. In metalloporphins, the metal ion is present in the hole or halo space present between the four nitrogen atom. Following are the probable reason for importance of these metalloporphins in biological system. So का हे metalloporphins important आहे त्याचे रिझन खाली आहे. Metalloporphins are biologically accessible compound whose function can be varying by changing metal, their oxidation state, or by changing the substituent on the porphyrin structure. Metalloporphin biologically important आहे कारण by changing metal, वेगवेगळे metal त्याची फंक्शनॅलिटी आपण चेंज करू शकतो by changing oxidation state of central metal ion and also by changing different substituent. In general, evolution process takes place by modification of structure already present in the system instead of producing new substance. त्याच ऑलरेडी प्रेझेंट असलेल्या सिस्टीममध्येच मॉडिफिकेशन होऊन नवीन स्ट्रक्चर तयार होतं जे की नवीन फंक्शन दाखवतं. त्यामुळं नवीन सबस्टन्स तयार करायची गरज भासत नाही. तिथल्या तिथंच मॉडिफिकेशन होत असल्यामुळं हा मेटॅलोपोरफायरिंग कोऑर्डिनेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टीमसाठी म्हणून महत्त्वाचा आहे. Now, example of metalloporphyrins, chlorophyll, it is one of the example, which is present in a green plant, is a magnesium porphyrin complex. Magnesium why? Because central metal ion in case of chlorophyll is a magnesium. Heme group present in the heme protein like myoglobin and hemoglobin, that is which is a iron porphyrin complex. That means heme protein कोण आहे? मायोग्लोबिन आणि हिमोग्लोबिन यांना म्हणायचं हिमोप्रोटीन, ज्यांच्यामध्ये हिम ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे जो की आयर्न पोरफायरिन कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे. म्हणजे क्लोरोफिलमध्ये मॅग्नेशियम हा मेटल आहे, तर हिमोग्लोबिन आणि मायोग्लोबिनमध्ये आयर्न हा मेटल आयन आहे. Hemoprotein, myoglobin and hemoglobin. The chief heme proteins are myoglobin and hemoglobin. तर महत्त्वाचे प्रोटीन्स कोणते आहेत? हिम प्रोटीन्स myoglobin आणि hemoglobin. Cytochromes and some enzymes. So this is the structure of heme. हिम म्हटलं की त्यामध्ये Fe हा सेंट्रल मेटल आयन 100% असणार. फक्त बाकीचे मेटल आयन काढून जेव्हा Fe येतो तेव्हा त्या ग्रुपला म्हणायचं हिम ग्रुप. बाकी सर्व सारखं 4 pyrrole rings attached with 4 methylating group, and these are the 8 position where various substituents get attached. Difference is only presence of central metal ion. In case of chlorophyll it is Mg, in case of heme it is a Fe. All these are the proteins characterized by presence of heme group. Myoglobin आणि hemoglobin हे यांच्यामध्ये heme group 100% present असलाच पाहिजे. Heme group consists of Fe2 plus ion coordinated with porphyrin ligand as shown in these figures. All these three figures, Fe central metal ion, these are 4 pyrrole rings, and in between that there is a methylating group, and these are the position where different substituents get attached. So these are the hollow space where metal ion get fitted. ही मध्य जो भाग आहे त्याला आपण होल किंवा हॅलो स्पेस म्हणणार, ज्यामध्ये मेटल आयन काय होतो फिट होतो. आणि हे आहे पोरफायरिंग रिंग्स या 4, आणि हे आहे मिथिलेटिंग ग्रुप. आणि 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 these are the substituent position.